to fly. First step is place your battery not on a locked way. That means you have a tiny slot out of the remote, or not of the remote, out of your drone. Then turn on the power on your remote system, and you can see that the remote is getting you some lights. Then you have to push the left transmitter stick completely downwards. Then the light will flash slowly. This means that the transmitter is ready to sync. Then it's time to get the power on your drone. That means you have to get in the battery inside the drone connected. Now your drone is waiting for you. And then it's time to have a compass calibration. So that means level correction. The first thing is rotate the drone in one level. That means rotate the drone horizontally, and then the transmitter makes the beep sound and the left light of the drone turns bright. It means that it has successfully calibrated and comes to vertical correction. This is the next step. The vertical correction is to rotate the drone vertically. The right indicator lights will turn on when the transmitter makes the long beeping sound. Of course, the drone's light will begin its rotating as, indicating that it has finished the calibration. Job's done. That is the compass calibration on your drone. Because of this, the drone will have the information in which area, in which stand it is, the drone, and it is linked to the remote too. After it's successfully calibrating the frequency, the drone will automatically search the GPS signal. The blue light on the left of the transmitter is the GPS connection indicator. If it keeps long bright, that means that the connection is connected to the GPS. The drone can't work without GPS connection. For the GPS connection, we are going to use the app. So, first step, we have to get into the wireless local area network with a drone. So, go into your phone and connect to the drone. Then, after this, you can start the drone app. It is for free on iOS and Android too. So after this, you can see the drone is ready. That means after making the right frequency, please push the right stick lever of the transmitter to the lower right angle of 45 degrees. Please release it when the drone views the flash quickly. It means you have finished compass calibration. Now the drone can fly normally. Now it's time to unlock the motor. Push the left and the right stick inward to the 45 degrees angle simultaneously. After this, the rotors will start immediately. If you do the same, that will lock the engine. And now you can see we are getting up and down, and our drone is flying.